Discovering the beauty of Boulder, Colorado, a journey through nature and culture. Welcome to another exciting episode of our travel series. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey to the picturesque city of Boulder, Colorado. Nestled at the foothills of the Rocky Mountains, Boulder is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, a hub for cultural exploration, and a community that embraces sustainability and innovation. Join us as we explore the stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and unique experiences that make Boulder a true gem of the Centennial State. Boulder's natural beauty is simply awe-inspiring. It's an outdoor lover's paradise with over 300 sunny days a year. Start your adventure by hiking the iconic Flatirons, a series of stunning sandstone formations that provide breathtaking panoramic views of the city and beyond. Whether you're a seasoned mountaineer or a casual hiker, there's a trail for everyone. If you're into rock climbing, Boulder's got you covered, too. The city is renowned for its world-class bouldering, attracting climbers from all over the globe. El Dorado Canyon State Park offers diverse climbing routes, from beginner-friendly to expert-level challenges. For a more leisurely experience, stroll along the Boulder Creek Path, a scenic route that meanders through the city's heart. It's perfect for biking, jogging, or enjoying a peaceful afternoon by the water. After working up an appetite in the great outdoors, Boulder's food scene will delight your taste buds. Known for its commitment to locally sourced, organic ingredients, Boulder boasts an impressive array of restaurants and cafes. Pearl Street Mall is the epicenter of Boulder's dining scene. Lined with charming boutiques, street performers, and various culinary choices, it's the perfect place to explore. Try the farm-to-table cuisine at the kitchen or savor a delicious pizzeria locale. Boulder is not just about the great outdoors, it's also a hub of culture and innovation. The city is home to the University of Colorado Boulder, a world-class research institution. Explore the campus and its museums, including the CU Art Museum, which features a remarkable contemporary and traditional art collection. Boulder also has a thriving arts scene. The Dairy Arts Center hosts exhibitions, performances, and film screenings year-round. It's a creative hotspot that's sure to spark your imagination. Boulder takes sustainability seriously. The city has set ambitious goals to reduce its carbon footprint and promote green living. You'll notice bike lanes, electric vehicle charging stations, and a commitment to renewable energy sources throughout the city. Additionally, the community spirit in Boulder is palpable. The Boulder Farmers Market is a prime example, where you can chat with local farmers and artisans and enjoy some of the freshest produce. Boulder, Colorado, is a city that seamlessly blends natural beauty, cultural richness, and a commitment to sustainability. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventures, exploring its vibrant culture, or simply enjoying the warmth of the community, Boulder has something for everyone. So, when planning your next adventure, put this Rocky Mountain gem on your list. Thanks for joining us on this virtual journey, and we'll see you in the next episode.